everyone, I'm glad you found my channel and welcome to this video. Easter is coming up, so I'm making decorative Easter eggs out of air dry clay. You will need air dry clay sculpturing tools, or just knife and fork are just fine, a small bowl and sandpaper. And for decorating you will need black acrylic paint, Gilding flakes, glue, paintbrushes and optional 3D snow effect for extra texture. First, before you start making or shaping the Easter eggs, make some slip to use as a glue to join the clay pieces. I just added a small piece of clay to a bit of water and mixed it until smooth. I shaped the Easter eggs using the pinching technique. I took 2 equal-sized pieces of clay, a handful, but you can adjust depending on the size you want. And then warm up and knead the clay in your hands, then roll it into a ball. Press your thumb into the center and gently pinch with your thumb, index and middle fingers to shape the clay into a small cup. The clay should be about 1 centimeter thick. You can smooth out the surface with a slip, and I flattened the edge against the table so the pieces would fit together better. Then make the other half the same way, shaping one end a little pointier to mimic a neck shape. And then connect the 2 halves, roughen the edges with a fork, add slip and press the pieces together. Use a knife or sculpting tool to smooth the seam so it disappears. Let the Easter egg dry, I would say, for at least 3 days. Because drying takes a while and the inside dries slowly, but you can make a small hole at the bottom to help air circulate inside if you want to speed it up. And once fully dry, I sanded the surface to smooth it out. It doesn't need to be perfect, but I wanted a bit of an even finish. And then wipe off any dust afterwards. I primed the Easter eggs with black acrylic paint and let them dry completely. Then we are ready to start to decorate. I brushed glue onto the areas I wanted to decorate and then tapped on the flakes. Let the glue dry about 10 minutes before gently brushing off the excess flakes, and you can save the leftover bits to use later. I decorated the Easter eggs in sections because I found it easier. While the glue dries, you can start decorating another Easter egg. The first Easter egg turned out pretty cool, I think, and I made 2 more with different designs. One with lines and another with oval shapes. I had some 3D snow effect, so I added small dot-like textures to one of the eggs or 2 of the eggs, but this is optional if you don't like it, but I think it adds a nice touch. I didn't varnish the surface since they're just decorative and I like it this way. But yeah, I think they turned out really nice. What do you think? And which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments and happy crafting! Bye!